In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the sound effects when you power on your iPhone. So if you want to either enable or disable the power on sound when starting up your iPhone, then what you need to do is head over to the settings app on your phone, scroll down and select accessibility, scroll down again and select audio and visual. And then down here, you'll have the option to turn on power on and off sounds. So we're just going to toggle this feature on like so. And now the next time you turn off or turn on your iPhone, you'll hear this sound effect. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.